Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Google tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to quickly download everything from Google Drive. So recently I had to do this, and I checked online. There were several different methods that people discussed, but there's actually a really simple way to do this through the Google settings. It allows you to quickly download everything on Google Drive. So a lot of people will tell you to go to drive.google.com. Then once you're there, you can select the folders, right-click on them and go to download, or select multiple folders by selecting a folder, then holding down Shift, and selecting another folder, and then right-clicking and going to download. But that's not an easy way to do it, and it could be a problem if you have multiple folders or files to download. So the easiest way to do that is to go to google.com. Then once you're at google.com, all you need to do is select the little user icon at the top right up here and go to Google Account. This is your Google account page, and you can easily get here by just going to myaccount.google.com. Once you're here, select Control Your Content under Personal Info and Privacy. As you can see here, we can download or transfer our content. We'll go ahead and create an archive to do that. This page right here is designed so that we can download all of our Google data. Now we only want the Google Drive content, so to do that, we need to narrow this down. First thing we need to do is select right here, select None. That's going to unselect all the Google products. And then in the list, find Drive. Once you find Drive, go ahead and select it. Then you also have the ability to select this drop down. And in here, you can configure what each of the file formats will be for the different types of file in your Google Drive. So if you have documents or spreadsheets, you can make sure that those are Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word. It's pretty cool, and I recommend looking through that, making sure you have it configured for your needs. But once you have Google Drive selected, all you need to do is scroll down and then select Next. Once you're here, there's no real reason to change any of these settings. All you need to do is select Create Archive, and that's going to go ahead and start creating the archive on the Google side, and then it will email you a link to where you can download all of your Google Drive content. So that's how you quickly download all of your Google Drive content at one time. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Google or Google Drive tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.